This spicy tofu dish is incredibly delicious. Whether you eat it with rice or noodles, you won't be able to stop. The recipe is so simple that you don't need any cooking skills at all. Just follow the steps and it will turn out great. First, prepare 1 block of tofu. This kind of tofu is soft and tender, and it absorbs sauce very well. When cutting, there's no need to be too precise. Cut it into long strips first, then cut them in half to make small pieces. Put the tofu on a plate and set aside. Do not rinse it, so it won't break apart. Next, coat the tofu with cornstarch. Then take a clean bowl, crack into eggs, and beat them well. Dip each piece of tofu into the egg, making sure every piece is lightly covered. This helps create a golden crust when frying, making the tofu look and taste better. Now prepare the seasonings. Mince 3 cloves of garlic and chop a handful of green onions. Put them into a small bowl, then add 1 large spoon of chili powder and some sesame seeds. Next comes the soul of the dish, the spicy sauce. Heat oil in a pan until very hot, then pour the hot oil into the chili bowl in 3 parts. After that, add 1 spoon of light soy sauce, 1 spoon of vinegar, 1 spoon of sugar, and some salt. Mix well, and the sauce is ready. Now fry the tofu. Heat a flat pan and add some cooking oil. When the oil is warm, place the egg-coated tofu pieces into the pan one by one. Fry over low heat. When one side turns golden, gently flip the tofu and fry the other side until golden as well. This way, the tofu will be crispy outside and soft inside. Then pour the prepared spicy sauce into the pan and stir a few times so the flavors mix well. Add the fried tofu back into the pan and gently toss it, making sure each piece is coated with sauce. Let the tofu absorb the sauce until it becomes thick and sticks to the tofu. Transfer the tofu to a plate and sprinkle the chopped green onions on top. The fresh onion aroma will blend into the dish. Enjoy it with freshly cooked rice or your favorite flatbread. The sauce is rich, and the tofu is soft and full of flavor. It's perfect for eating alone or sharing with family. This spicy tofu dish is simple, tasty, and very satisfying. Try making it soon. I'm sure you will love the flavor. Please like and subscribe.